In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share access with Dashlane. This will take about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll be able to efficiently share Dashlane with friends or colleagues. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you usually use. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar and type in Dashlane. Hit Enter, and you should see a list of search results. What you're looking for is the official Dashlane website. Typically, it will appear at the top of the list, but if not, look for the URL dashlane.com. Once you're on the Dashlane homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You'll notice a Login button, probably located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll need to enter your login details. This usually means your email address followed by your secure password. Remember to keep your passwords safe and secure, and always ensure you're on the correct website before entering them. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard. Look for an option that says My Account. Clicking this will take you to your account settings and various options that Dashlane provides for managing your account. From there, to share Dashlane with others, find and select the option labeled Refer a Friend. This feature is great because it allows you to share the benefits of Dashlane easily with someone else. After clicking, you will see two main options for sharing. The first allows you to copy your personal referral link. It's just like sharing a website link. You can paste this link into an email, a text message, or anywhere convenient. The second option is to directly enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Dashlane will then send them an invite on your behalf. This is particularly handy if you've got an email list or want to keep it personal and official. Both methods are straightforward, and once your friend or colleague accepts the invite and signs up, both of you might enjoy some beneficial features as a thank you from Dashlane. It's a win-win situation, enhancing your security while helping others improve theirs. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you're all set to share Dashlane with friends and colleagues, making it easier for them to manage their online passwords and security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. See you next time.